So got a good question here. Can you have a 24-volt thermostat to indoor unit and only run H1 and H2 to the outdoor? If so, what are the dip switch settings to wire it like that? I had to run a 24-volt to outdoor and leave H1 and H2 connected. It would not run when I removed H1, H2.
So you're running your thermostat wires from the GREE air handler to the thermostat running as 24 volt. But you're only hooking up H1 and H2 between the indoor and outdoor. That's not going to work.
Right.
Now, if you hook up H1 and H2 at the controller and use it as RS485, you'd have to have RC H1, H2, and then go into the outdoor unit, H1, H2, R, and C. Now the unit will function with just 4 wires. But you can't run the thing with 24 volt thermostat, 24 volt wired between the air handler and the thermostat, and only run H1, H2 between the air handler and the outdoor unit. That won't function.